Hello everyone. Today we are going to upgrade a go-kart with a motor from a motocross. Who has not seen the first video with its assembly, I left a link in the description. Be sure to take a look. Even earlier, without filming, I added an additional belt and pulley at the bottom. Because one belt could not withstand the load and scrolled. For the upgrade, I bought this muffler from Alada. There was something dangling inside, and I had to get that piece of iron out of there and brew it. Now it mutes the sound much better. I decided to test this silencer. I tuned the slipper to the floor and drove. Everything seems to be fine, but I decided to test it more rigidly, to immediately identify all the disadvantages of this go-kart. During testing, I turned over and bent the steering wheel a couple of times and realized that it needed to be redone. But since the old mechanism was pretty good, I decided to make the same one, but improve all its shortcomings. That's better. When cornering on this go-kart, there is a very unpleasant problem since the rear axle is locked, and the rear wheels rotate at the same time at the same speed. Then with each turn, the rear wheels interfere with turning. And I decided to split the axle and make only one driving wheel. I bought these two bearings and brewed them right on the axis. That's how it turned out. In my opinion, not bad. Now the management will be much better. The body structure also decided to change. Make two full-fledged seats and a high landing, so that you can sit down together and gas off-road without any problems. The gasoline tank was moved to a place where it would be convenient to fill the fuel. I also attached a car battery nearby. I have parts from my old car lying around in my garage. Therefore, so that these details do not go to waste, I decided to attach them to my picture. And the steering wheel should have been changed a long time ago, because it's not a steering wheel, it's some kind of parody of a steering wheel. Since the manual starter on this engine was broken, I will make an electric one. I must admit right away that it was difficult and unpleasant. Because of the muffler, I couldn't place the starter close to the engine and had to make a homemade shaft. Now I will make the gas pedal and the brake pedal.
Теперь сделаю педаль газа и педаль тормоза.
Here is such a shield with buttons since the Soviet times will be responsible for starting and shutting down the engine. Now it's all left to sheathe with metal. It's good that I have enough different types of badges. There is firm an old washing machine and firm the refrigerator. In general, I have enough scrap metal. That's how I like it a lot more. Before painting, it is necessary to remove dirt from the metal. According to our new tradition, we will also make a channel logo. The first test will be a test for traction. Do you think this go-kart can pull two people together and with a car trailer? Well, shall we check it out? The test was successful, and now a test drive on the off-road. Wow! Well, what can I say? It's the most fun to ride it. The only thing that gives unpleasant sensations is the seat, which is made of metal. But in general, I really liked karting. That's it, let's go home. Tired of it. Who liked the video, be sure to like it and write some interesting comments. For example, how would you like to upgrade such a go-kart? Thank you all for watching. Have a great mood for everyone. Bye, everyone.